about learning the rules. So let's start from the basic rules of Loomis's painting method. First, draw a large circle. This large circle represents the head part of the figure. Since the human head is not a regular circle, this large circle has a certain degree of imagination. Find the center of the large circle and draw the diameter of the large circle. Divide the diameter into 6 equal parts on average. Use 4 of these parts as the diameter to draw a small circle. The large circle and the small circle share the same center. From here, it's not difficult to see that the distance from the top of the small circle to the top of the large circle is the distance from the hairline to the skull. This proportional relationship is very wonderful. It seems to be precisely determined. This is why the small circle occupies exactly 4/6 of the large circle. It makes me have to believe that humans are not evolved, but are set. So the top of the small circle is the position of the hairline. According to the principle of equal 3/4, half of the small circle is the upper court, and the other half is the middle court. Then draw a radius of the small circle to represent the lower court. This is the basic proportional rule for portrait heads. Here it must be said that the rules are fixed and require us to memorize and recite them forcibly, just like formulas in mathematics. Only with basic formulas can there be endless variations. What other information can we obtain from this formula? Horizontally, the distance from the small circle to the large circle is the length of the eyebrows. The position slightly behind the center of the small circle is the position of the ear. So what exactly is this small circle? In fact, it is the entire side of the temporal bone. The reason for using a circle to replace it is just an imagination of the side of the temporal bone. In this way, it's not difficult to understand why the distance from the small circle to the large circle is the distance of the eyebrows, because there is the temporal bone above the eyebrows. Knowing the principle of the small circle, flexibly changing the small circle within the large circle can obtain different angles and figures. The above is the basic criterion of Loomis's painting method. The first step in learning is to memorize it first, no matter what